Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 2 slices of bread, your choice of peanut butter creamy or crunchy, and your favorite jelly or jam. Make sure you have a clean surface and a knife ready for spreading. Having everything organized makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get started with the peanut butter. Lay your 2 slices of bread flat on a clean surface. Take your knife and scoop a generous amount of peanut butter. Carefully spread it across one entire slice of bread, reaching close to the edges. Try to achieve an even layer, roughly 1/8 of an inch thick, for perfect flavor balance. Next up is the jelly. It's a good idea to use a separate knife for the jelly to avoid mixing flavors, or simply wipe your first knife clean. Scoop your chosen jelly or jam and spread it evenly over the second slice of bread. A thinner layer, about 1/16 of an inch, often works best to complement the peanut butter without overpowering it. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Gently place the jelly-covered bread slice on top of the peanut butter slice, making sure the coated sides face each other. Press down lightly to secure the sandwich. Now, you can cut your masterpiece in half, either diagonally or straight across, depending on your preference. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.